Okay guys, today we're doing art. Okay, show them yours first. Okay, come see this. There you go. First. Nature. What is that? Is that a dog?
Yeah.
This is mine. George, give it back! So as you can see is literally that one. My art. Space unit. Then that's mine. You can see like little rockets right there. Okay, that's mine. George, I'm gonna play the game. Okay. Choose. Just put L or face or F. L or F. Okay, George. I told you I'm gonna play.
Oh, you made me a promise.
I said no. Because you didn't play PUBG with me.
Fool, I told you, I started.
Ah, you know. Okay, wait. Let me move all this. It's gonna be honestly very boring because just vote in the comment section. That's the girl that drew the nature. I drew this.
I drew this.
Yes, she did.
If you like this one, make sure hashtag nature love.
This one? Airplane. This is right. Airplane. Okay, let me now put this in my room. Okay, George, I'm gonna play right now. I'm gonna try and make this like until my phone reaches 15%. So it's gonna be a long time. Nelly, you wanna go to the vending machine? Wanna go to the vending machine?
Yo, let's do it.
Okay. So you're gonna record me putting on my shoes? Okay, you know what to do. Recording putting on my shoes. Yeah. Okay, don't worry. She's just covering up a reason.
Okay, you guys can't know the address. We're security, don't worry. So he's putting on his Adidas, or those?
Adidas.
Taquito shoes.
Sponsored by them.
Okay, now I'm gonna go put on my shoes.
No.
Oh, yeah, that was good.
Wait, do you have any money?
Maybe no.
Grandma, ¿me das $5?
cabrón.
¿O 6?
¿Tanto dinero?
3 para mí, 3 para Leli.
Oh my god. ¿A dónde van?
A la vending machine. ¿Sí?
Yo no tengo cambio.
Hola.
No, porque tengo tanta cosa tampoco.
Uncle T, can you give us $6? Nomás $1.
$1 cuestan las cosas, entonces ¿tú para qué quieres tantas cosas?
Nomás 3 para mí, 3 para Leli.
Por eso, ¿qué vas a comprar? ¿Qué vas a agarrar? ¿Cómo que no?
Bitch, you only get 2 fucking things. Fucking on fucking $6 for yourself.
For Leli too, oh my god.
No me la van a dar $2 a cada uno.
Okay.
Toma Lele. Y 50. Y 50. 2.50 cada uno ya.
Honestly, hurry up.
I'm good. Don't tie my shoes because I always do knots on them. That's good.
What are you gonna do?
Okay.
What you leaving?
I'm leaving. I'm just gonna get in the car. Safety first. There you go. See how far I can throw. That's how far I can throw. Don't! I'm just kidding. Ellie, are you subscribed?
Huh?
Are you subscribed?
No, not yet.
Subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Mom was reaching 20 subs. I think I have 19, 18? I don't know. I think we're gonna try to make this a 30-minute.
We're gonna get 20 subs in a day.
Lily, see how far can you throw?
Huh?
Let's see how far can you throw. Look, this is how far I throw. Watch. Hold it. Watch. Just point over there.
Oh wow, I throw farther than that.
Let's see. Art.
This is so long. All the way over there.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So make it my phone.
Remember, hit those post notifications. Oh, your monies from Roblox. Monies.
Monies, I got Robux.
You got Robux?
No. I got Roblox, yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go. You guys want to see something weird? There you go.
If you hear some music, that's just some
Peaceful
what I
music.
call relaxing music that I always play.
Look at all them chickens.
Flying chickens.
Let's go.
And that show the plate of the car or truck, whatever.
What plate?
The plate. Don't you know what? Don't show it though. This. That.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. Don't
plate.
show it.
Don't show that. Put it in your pocket.
Huh?
Put it in your pocket.
I did. Oh, and guys, by the way, in case this little dude doesn't do any giveaway, I will give away these beautiful pearl necklace and bracelets that I can make by myself.
Yeah, if you comment down below, Cassie, I know you're you don't like girly stuff, but Cassie, I know you don't I know you don't like girly stuff, but you might want it. Any of you guys want it for your mom, your little sister, your big sister? I don't care. Just comment down below.
Or you.
Or anyone. I don't care if you're a boy. I won't call you. You know what?
Yeah. If you're a boy, I can make you a bracelet with your name. If you do want that, just comment your name down below.
Right. So just don't give her your last name. Crazy.
Just put your name.
Just put your first name.
Or you could just put your initials.
Or initials, yeah.
Yeah.
Like DC.
No, but just like initial, like for last name.
Oh, last name initial.
Yeah, cause
Like
then,
if it's Daniel, his last initial is gonna be C.
like C, like Cardenas or something, or Garcia. You're gonna put Daniel dot C.
D dot C.
Yeah.
D dot C.
Oh,
DC superhero.
That's new here.
Yeah, that's new. That's new. Guys, if you want anything, I'll literally check through the comments Saturday, some of the vending machine. Like, say some Diamond Knights, Cheetos, stuff like that. I won't call you fat of them. You just, what's it called? Get like 3 bags. So no, I know you're like that. I can also get you some fruit punch.
What the right shrimp here?
Well, I think they're gone. Are shrimps? Girls, boys?
The girls in the clothes. I mean, yeah, the girls need to show the private parts. The
Boys don't.
they're not really like boys. What they? They're not supposed to be.
Hey, Lily.
What size window?
Lily, hi.
Okay, let's go in. Ow.
Okay.
Anyone here? No.
What are you gonna buy?
It's like a little cheap.
It's like fresh in
And
here.
they even have food.
They even have cup noodles. Sponsored by Cup Noodles. I'm just kidding.
They have noodles.
Grapes? I think they're trying to make
Jelly?
raisins.
It looks like jelly.
It's jelly. See how fast I run? I can get a record.
Okay, he's gonna get something.
Okay, show them everything they have to order.
So basically, we have some
Chips and stuff.
Fritos. Yeah.
Don't put your hand like that.
Ruffles.
Dynamites, Cheetos,
Cheetos.
Doritos, some old-fashioned Lays,
Some
classic Lays,
kettle
kettle
cooked.
You have some Pepes, you have some Lays, you have some Chips Ahoy, not berry farm cookies. What's it called?
Jack Links, I think.
I think it's what's it called? Yeah, I just called them Jack, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
And then you have some. Oh, Miss Chambers would like some. Wait,
You're Miss Chambers?
no, I think she would like the strawberry. Then we have some candy bars. Show them everything. Pistachios, what I love. And then we have some more candy bars.
M&M's.
They also sell Skittles.
Yes, one.
Look at the bottom. Yummy.
And actually, in here, like to press that, and you could almost get one of those stuff. He's gonna try to get that right now.
I hope I'm not a robber if I do this.
Which me and my uncle, he's like my age. He is my age. In case you don't know, and you guys are like, what? A boy that is 9 years old and is your uncle? Yeah.
It's Marcos.
Yeah, his name is Marcos, and yeah, he's my uncle. And how someone becomes your uncle, even if they're a baby, basically, if your dad or mom has a younger sister or brother, they are basically your uncle or aunt. Exactly. Even if they're a baby, like literally a baby. And if they're twins, then you have twins. If they're triplets, you have triplet aunts. If they're twins, you have twin aunts. If they're just once, you have an aunt. Not a real aunt, like an aunt.
Damn it.
Okay, yeah, so he can get that. And it's
Okay,
closest.
what do you want?
It's really close.
What are we gonna get?
Basically, I know it's ladies first, but the YouTuber first this right now. I'm the YouTuber.
I think I'm going for some Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Cheeto Lays.
Cheeto Lays.
I think next I'm going for some pistachios. I'm like, oh, I want. Next I'm going for. Wait. If you guys don't know why those things are like the numbers and letters, it's because you have to use this. Say I got the Cheetos. It was 8.6. It says price, but if you don't have money in it, just put it in. Cause here, I know you like it.
We're gonna put that in. I actually think that's the other side. Yep. Yeah, I got it. 80% are right here. If you guys saw that before, just like comment down below.
Just say face Julian's dumb, or if you know my real name, just comment that down below.
Do they know your real name?
Yes, they do.
Did you tell them? In case they forgot or they didn't watch the video where he told them, where he told you guys, his name is Gustavo.
Yeah. Now, going back to Australian Oh, guys, I think we're gonna end the stream when she gets her stuff.
Yes. So
Here you go.
there you go.
No, that's yours. You're gonna have it.
Okay.
So you can buy an extra soda.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And then right here you can buy a Gatorade for Lamel or
Dr.
Peppa,
Pepsi,
Pepsi, Rockstar, inappropriate, and then even though it's like healthy, it's still it has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, Coke, Mountain Dew.
We want you guys to be some
Daniel would love this.
Daniel.
Your turn. When we get home, I think we can record after this tomorrow.
Yes.
What time is your dad gonna pick you up?
Well, I'm not sure because he's not sure if he's coming tomorrow or next Friday. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Let's see what she's gonna get. What you gonna get? What you gonna get?
I am gonna get some Ruffles.
Ruffles A2. I never lie. Everyone knows.
I know.
Look, A2. A2. I told you I never lie. I did. If you did do that, I would literally punch the glass. I mean the plastic glass, whatever it's called, fake glass, and then so it can literally come down. Even
you guys haven't seen that video of King Zach, he basically put.
Oh yeah, King Zach.
He gets him zipper.
He gets a zipper. He puts it on there. He literally steals almost all the chips.
Yeah, like shout out to that guy.
Shout out to him.
What is that? I'm gonna get some.
I gonna get. Oh wait, what's it called? I don't want to get copyrighted. You know, I'm just not gonna say it.
I'm gonna get some water at home. So I'm gonna get something.
Alright.
Here.
I dare you to get what's it called?
I don't even know how much.
Pistachios like me.
Pistachios. Yeah.
I think they only have
those. I don't like those.
110 calories.
I don't try those.
They're actually good, really good.
But I don't care. I don't try those.
Okay.
I a lot of oil stuff. So should I get some Fritos, Doritos, some Ruffles, some
Dynamites,
some
Cheetos,
some
hot Cheetos. Watch me floss it. Floss it out. Floss it
You're
out.
not even showing you're moving the camera.
I
You're
know.
moving them. You're making them crazy. Do the floss. They want to see you do the floss.
I got you. Floss lessons here. But once I like this, like that.
Let's make it work. You're doing the floss.
I want to see how fast I run. Look.
Okay, how fast he's run.
Okay. Look, it's cool. I don't really try. But look.
Yeah, I've seen him before. He doesn't really try that much.
You watch this? Then you give me a timer.
1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, he's like over there in a couple of seconds. Even though that's short, still. But in real life, if he goes from, look, I'll show you from this window. He goes from here all the way to our house, which is over there, all the way over there. Anyways, he will be there in like a couple of seconds or in 1 minute, literally. He's probably wearing a mile. I gotta really.
Can't even make a mile. And then first grade we lost because my friend Angel, he sprayed his ankle.
Like literally.
Yeah.
Every time I do a relay or something, I always do softball. I just don't know why. I just feel like it's so easy and very easy.
I think this year I'm gonna do softball. My new school.
I don't do the running where you get the baton and then toss it to someone else.
I did that. I got third place, but they didn't give me nothing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get first place on softball. I won.
I think I'm gonna send it for softball too.
I usually get like third place. I think it is.
Coke only has 0 calorie.
Huh?
Oh, it's calories per can. It has 140 calories.
150 calories
I think Coke has the
per
less.
can. Oh, just for
no, wait.
per can.
No, GamerYT has the most less. Watch, 130, 140.
No, but that's like per each one.
No, like right there. Calories.
No, yeah, but look, right here.
140.
Calories per can. So basically, you don't know what each can is.
Okay, let's just get your stuff and then we can go home. Okay, guys, when we get home, we're gonna end the stream
I'm gonna get
because
some.
my phone is literally in 11%. So Lenny, you're gonna need to hurry. We're gonna run home so we can end the stream and then we can record tomorrow if we could. We were gonna try and make this a literally 30-minute stream, half an hour stream, but I figured out we couldn't. What you gonna get?
Some Cheetos.
Cheetos, and then you can buy soda. You can buy one of these. Look, you can either buy Mountain Dew, Coke, Dr. Pepper, Pepsi.
I only got 3/4.
What's it called? PUBG's a good game. I do love violence games.
Should I try it?
Yeah, you can try and get any of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can get Mountain Dew, Coke, Pepsi, and Dr. Pepper. I messed up there.
Guys, Guys, comment down below if you
Dr.
guys
Pepper.
comment down below if you guys like Dr. Pepper better than Pepsi. I like Pepsi better than this one.
Guys.
He's not even a doctor. He's a can of soda.
Okay, guys. Vote for this team. This team. This is my team.
No.
Okay, if you vote for that team, you suck. I quit my channel.
Don't say that. If you vote for this team, I'll give you 10,000 subscribers.
You won't. Okay, Lely, if I win, you literally have to buy me Robux.
Okay, my mom's gonna buy me Robux.
It's like,
Okay.
just buy me like 100 Robux. I don't care.
I'll get you 200. I'll get myself 1,000. I'm just kidding.
Or can you at least buy me PUBG UC? Yeah, I got you the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can even see my feet mark.
I don't like doing that because I feel like I'm gonna fall, and I hate when the fall already falls.
Okay, Lely, we're gonna have to sprint home. Are you sure you can make the run?
I'm not gonna run actually, but you could. I'm just gonna be locked in here with my relaxing waterfall music.
I think it ended. Wait, let's just run because we can jog. Let's just jog. Let's just jog. Oh my God, you got Daniel's favorite soda. Comment down below if you like
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, and Coke, or Coke. Any one of those, or you can comment down any of their soda. I'm actually sick. Guess why I'm jogging? At school, I'm actually a tryhard. God. So your dad can.
Beautiful sky. Look at the sun.
Don't! You're gonna get blind. Wait, you can look at that. Oh, dang.
That's
Look,
not part of nature.
from that, it looks far, but in real life, it actually looks hella.
That's not part of nature.
That's part of nature, though. No. Guys, look.
You're old enough.
Right here is my frame. Where I took my picture. Me going like this, look like, for example.
What?
Hold it. I was literally going like this. You saw me going like this. Oh, remember what's that?
Yeah.
Trying to throw gang singles.
What's your intro?
My intro? Oh, I don't have an intro. I'm just making one up.
You comment down below if you want this little kid to do an intro for you.
No, okay, no. Comment down below if you want me to do LEA intro, or do you want me to do, what's it called? No intro. I mean, I can't do LEA intro, so another intro.
Thumbs up
I'll do the popular Airman Moss intro. No, okay.
and comment down below intro, and then put an emoji thumb up if you want him to do an intro. If you don't want him to do an intro, comment down no intro, thumb down emoji. I'm all
Okay, guys, we're home.
Yeah, we're home.
So we can just record. We can wait until okay. We can literally stream it for like a little church. When my phone's like in 30%, you can get off the game because I'm gonna record me playing the game. Alright? It's like in 7. 7. So guys, I'm gonna end this video off here. So stay tuned for I think today or tomorrow. Bye.